Quesadilla! Before we start, make sure you always have an adult nearby to help with any cutting, cooking, baking, or blending. Quesadilla! Quesadillas are the little brother to tacos, nachos, and burritos, since they've only become popular in Canada over the last 30 years, but they've actually been around for hundreds of years in Mexico. Say cheese! Tortilla! Mix! Toss! Bake! Bake again. And finally, quesadilla. Can I have a bite now? Get more fun recipes at kidfoodnation.com. Presented by President's Choice Children's Charity.